have two kind of sesame seed. One is white, one is black color. This is a black sesame seed. But today I'm going to use the white one. Dry sesame seed. Turn on medium heat. Add the sesame seed in here and keep stirring. Take time for sesame seed to turn color. Just cool down, and you're not gonna leave them because it's gonna burn. That's it for roasted or toasted sesame seed. It look like that. The color is changing. Little yellow, little brown. That's it for roasted raw sesame seed, and this is roasted sesame seed. If you see them one of these, you might not know which one is raw. If you cannot tell, taste them. Put in your mouth a little bit and chew. The taste it will be different, both of these.